tunnel. It's a tunnel. Yeah.
Are they in it?
They're in it.
They sound far away.
Oh, is it safe to come down? Ah! Pool stick.
Thank you. Thanks.
I'd like to thank my mum, my brothers. Yay!
This one you would put forward. Okay, is it in what's
It's Bobby's birthday! Yay! Happy birthday! Yay! May we enter the deep dark wood? Oh, no, apparently not. Oops. It's a very strange feeling wood. These trees are all, it's like a concentration camp of deaf, dumb children who are unable to communicate with each other, so they don't have the mycelium.
I'm singing to myself. I was prepared for longer.
No one actually knows. Poppy's in heaven. So we're at the last hurdle. Each day has been like a crystal maze challenge, and every day there's been miracles that have been mind-blowing, and it's just been non-stop. So yeah, I felt like I'm riding a dragon. That's what it's felt like. It's felt like we've been riding a dragon all the way from the Isle of Wight. We've reached Three Hares Woodland, which is just outside of Edinburgh. So there's this viaduct here, and the other side of the river is up some slopes is where we could get the van to, and then we had to bring all of our stuff to here, and then we then have to get it. So here's all our stuff, and then yeah, so all the way down here. It's beautiful, but you can't go straight to that hut. It's a wiggly wobbly path all the way through a marshland, and that's our last camp before we get to Edinburgh and then Kelvin Castle in Glasgow. They need a soaking. Give peas a chance. Oh, this is amazing. It's summer again. Oh, thank you. Oh my God, it's so hot. This is mad.
It was absolutely lovely. So far, so good. Oh my God, amazing.
The leaves that fall on the floor, it's an autumn call, autumn call. I'm carrying the time on my shoulders of pine. I'm breathing the wind that blows over all. It's an autumn call, autumn call. With ivy clinging to the wall, it's an autumn call. With ivy clinging to the wall, it's an autumn call. Wild iris, wild rose, wild rooks and wild crows will grow and they grow, they grow and they go. Wild sparrows, wild bees, wild soil and wild seeds, they grow and they go, they grow and they go. Those bound to fall will hear the call and then let go of what they mean. If you shall stay another year, you'll have to dress in evergreen. Those bound to fall will hear the call and then let go of what they mean. If you shall stay another year, you'll have to dress in evergreen. Wild iris, wild crows, wild rooks and wild crows, they grow and they go, they grow and they go. Wild sparrows, wild stays, wild soil and wild seeds, they grow and they dress, they grow evergreen. With ivy clinging to the wall, it's an autumn call. With ivy clinging to the wall, it's an fair and lovely as thou art. Thou hast so my very heart. I can buy that never
Morning. Bye, see you at the chapel. See you at the chapel when we're gonna get married. Oh, yay. Bye, beautifuls. I'm filming. filming. It's our last day. It's our last walk. We are walking into Edinburgh.
sing from the bronze.
Where are we? Edinburgh! Sorry.
Now on, which is called Castle Rock, and also Carlton Hill, which is over on the other side of Edinburgh, are all extinct volcanoes. They're volcanic plugs, so the core of what were once volcanoes. So 320 million years ago, these were active volcanoes. And Castle Rock that we're standing on now is what's known as a dragon tail, because much later on, when we had the glacier melts of the last ice age that crashed through here in the late 1600s, there's records right the way up until probably last year of people that had visited Greyfriars and seen literally sort of walking, living gargoyles, unicorns, zombies, centaurs, literally you name it, it's been seen in Greyfriars, and that's why it's known all around the world.
So upstairs the pilgrims are rehearsing, and I have been doing an admin day and just getting a few last bits finished off before going to Glasgow. And today I did a Zoom conference thingy with Living Nature, which was amazing, with Satish Kumar, who is like the granddad of pilgrimage. He's walked 5,000 miles and has been doing it since the 60s and is like the voice of pilgrimage. And the session was called Listening to the Land, inspired by what we've been doing. And it was just really interesting to talk about how we listen to the land. And the things that have come up the most with this pilgrimage is the idea of transition, of re-indigenisation, and leading with the heart. So we are transitioning into a new life, a new world, and that's scary because the unknown is scary. But the more we can do that, looking after each other and loving each other and supporting each other and creating community, the more resilient we're going to be. And re-indigenising ourselves, connecting to mythology, story, dream time, bringing the inner and outer together so that we live a sacred and divine life, that everything we do is a sacred act, and that everything we do is an act of worship. I met a woman the other day and she said, I think we need to put God back at the centre of things. And God means different things to different people, but I think we do need to put the divine back at the centre of what we do, because we've been living a long time without it, and we have more anxiety and depression than I think we've ever had. And we're full of fear. And it doesn't mean dogma, and it doesn't mean going to church. It means making everything an act of love and making everything sacred. And for us to connect with nature on such a deep level that just the thought of doing anything bad to her is ludicrous. And that everything's devotional. I've been living my life like this now for 3 or 4 years, you know, where it's really kind of properly taken hold of me the way that it has now. And I've never been happier, and I can function in chaos. We've done this whole pilgrimage together, and it's been great. It's been great. And it's been so hard, and we've had so many things thrown at us. But we've pulled together, and we've loved each other and held each other and looked after each other, and here we are. And they're all upstairs singing beautifully, and it's such a joy. I love life. I want to do anything I can to protect it. And love is the answer.